Okay, welcome to our last session. Today I have combined the content of day 6 and day 7. Okay, so in day 6, uh, we are going to cover project development, right? Project development. And in day 7, we are going to deploy the project, or we can say simply to host the project, host the website. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So let me tell you my plan. Okay. Yesterday, we have created one project, right? So first, I will tell you, uh, how to develop project. Or if you want to if you want to work as a freelancer, then how do I start? Okay, that is the question. Usually, freelancer work yeah, provide us extra income source. That's why people prefer freelancing. Okay, all right. So there are so many Facebook group, right? So you can let me show you. Okay, freelancing group. So where you can take project orders. Okay, the WordPress freelancer is there, right? And freelancer web development is there. Right? Let me check Android and Android app developers. Yeah, you'll get the such type of post, right? So he need Ludo app developer. Budget is $100, right? And in the comment you will find so many people used to approach, to the poster. Here you will find, right? This is how people grab the project from the social media, right? Some people uh, develop a project within a budget. You can do negotiation, right? It is not the final price. Even you will get some ads related to the jobs also. You have to join. I need, dating. He required a dating app, and maybe you will find so many freelancers uh, used to respond in the comment section. Right? Look at this. Ethical hacking courses, and that's it. You can see here, I'm a professional mobile application developer, 5 years experience. You can check his portfolio and check your inbox, check your inbox. So seriously, some people put some funny comments also. You have to ignore. If you are doing good work, then you have to ignore the negative people and as well as negativity, right? Yeah, this is how you can join various groups, right? You can join web developer group, right? Web developer and yeah, web design and development. Hmm. Okay, that's it. So now the second part is okay. The first part, if you receive an order to develop a website, then do negotiation with the client. Okay, the first part is that try to understand his requirements. Okay, for example, if there is a shop owner, right? A shop owner, and he want to start he want to start his business online. Okay, then first ask what is your budget, and what is your budget you can directly ask, or uh, you can directly ask what type of website you want to build. You want to build a static website or you want to build a dynamic website. Okay. Static means just information where there is no PHP. Okay, simply no PHP. That is the static website. And dynamic website means it is a it is used to develop using PHP plus database will be there. MySQL database is there. Okay, do some research on the topic, right? For example, he's having store. Okay, he's having store, and he want to start online online shopping website. Okay, shopping website. You know, yes. So this is, for example, let's take a live example. Okay, there is a project. Project title is online shopping site. Okay, and client budget. Okay, budget client budget is, for example, rupees. For example, 80,000. Let us consider 80,000. Then do one thing. Okay, think about various factors. Okay, think about the feature, think about the hosting cost, okay, and web development cost. These are the key parameters. We can say these are the key parameters to for the discussion as well as to decide the budget, right? Client budget is 80K. You can increase up to 1.20. It is your skill. Okay, it is your skill. If client is having 80K budget, means he can pay 1.5 lakh also. That is your skill, how you can deal with the client. Okay. These are the key parameter. What kind of features you want? Okay. Maybe he may, he may put some demands which are very hard to, to provide in 80K. For example, maybe he want a website plus application, and uh, it generally happen. People want a shopping website plus Android application. Both are different things because you have to you require the knowledge of Android as well as web development also. Some people used to develop website with a cross-platform framework like MoonGap, and there are various cross framework, right? Then hosting. Okay, hosting and domain. I will add, domain plus hosting, both the part into single package. Okay, and your entire website maintenance, AMC, annual maintenance. These are the features you need to consider. Now, second part of, for example, this is client. Let us write a client's requirement. Okay, we will give a shop name, that is uh, the shop name will be, just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Shop name is, for example, uh, yeah, say Ram Store, for example, Ram Store. Okay, so let's ask what type of feature you want. Write down the list of the feature. For example, login. Okay, OTP based. Okay, OTP based and mobile number. This is this feature you want. Second, uh, what type of data you want to store. For example, you want to store customer detail, okay, or the all visitors. What you want, okay, or are you providing any guest login? Okay. Third one, for example, customer want responsive website. Okay, responsive website. Okay. Number four, these are the features, right? These are the features from client, from client. Fourth one, he may demand invoice option, right? So yeah, cart option. He want cart option Then he want a payment option, right? Payment, payment gateway. It is called as a gateway. Right? He may ask you a certain choice, for example, a photo slider, okay, like a Flipkart. Okay, let us open any e-commerce website. Let us open here, Flipkart, right? Yeah. So this is the photo slider, right? This is a photo slider. He may want a photo slider. Always ask a reference website. By understanding the reference website, we can derive the requirement which is hidden in the mind of customer, right? We can extract. It's very easy to guess his future requirement also. Okay, photo slider. Maybe you want a video player. People can demand anything, and video player, right? Video player. He may demand a stock management system, right? Stock management system. He may ask you, to provide us, that shipping management, right? Shipping shipping module, shipping management system. Okay. He may ask you to provide us invoice system, right? Invoice system. Okay, because he's offering you 80,000, and the non-technical person, they always think that okay, 80,000 is so much amount, and you can also develop this website in the 30, 40,000. Because non-technical people, they don't know how much pain lies in the development of the such type of websites. Okay, yeah. Then there are a lot of features. Okay, let's forget about it. Now it is your turn to find out figure it out the actual cost of the development. Okay, do one thing. You can approach to the different web development company, also the small company, and do negotiation with them. For example, you should play a role as a customer. Okay, then these companies will give you certain quotations. Okay, the quotation may ranges 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Do some market survey. Okay, if company is ready to develop such project in a 40,000, then ask for a feature. Ask for features what they are going to provide. Okay, yes, and it is the market. So the massive competition take place in the market. Yeah, the first part, do some research, okay, and find out the how much time is required to develop a website, okay, to develop website. For example, you required 1 month, okay. For example, actual development. Let's talk about 1 month. You have a team of three friends, and you require 1 month, okay. It means 1 month each. We can say that is actually 3 months, okay. We can say person per month effort. So it's a three. Okay. Then think about the money. How will you distribute money? For example, he's offering 90,000, 30,000 each. Then think about 30,000 is enough to develop website in a 1 month. Okay. On the basis of that, think about market value. You can figure it out by studying the reference website also, right? Reference quotations also. Okay, that's it. Then most important part is that commitment. If you require 1 month, don't tell the actual time to the client. Say we require at least 2 to 3 months. If he says just a 1 month and we are paying 80,000, then he will decrease his amount. He will say, okay, 50,000 is enough for the website. Always play some smart game. He's offering you 80,000. Okay, then you do some your research. Okay, now you have prepared all the documents, okay, or you have done your research, then meet to the client, okay, and on the table discuss certain features, and discuss certain feature. Ask him, sir, can you increase your budget? If you increase your budget, we will offer you better feature, right? The features like we will add some fancy slider, right? You can view a recommendation to the client, right, to go to the customer. We can provide a daily email service, SMS service. These are the these are the cosmetic feature we can say. If you purchase a car of 15 lakh, they it is a base model, and just figure it out the 70 lakh, that is the higher model. Only difference of only two to three feature. One is the camera, the second is the extra speaker in a music system. Likewise, it is same game in a different on a different table. Okay, yeah. And then give some lucrative offer to your client. Okay, SMS, a daily email. Okay, we can also provide Facebook and marketing. Likewise, okay, and increase his budget 1.5. Okay, and then start your negotiation and prepare one figure in your mind. This project is, we can develop this project in the last price, that is a 1.2 lakh. That should be. But try to uh, try to get at least 1.35 or 1.40 lakh from the client. Okay, then that project is feasible to you. Otherwise, try to ignore that. And nobody will develop that website in 1.35 lakh. Then make a deal. Okay. If you have a strong market survey, then you can put some offer. If you don't have market survey, then it is just a random guess. So yeah, there are chances to lose the offer. Or maybe you will take the offer and then you fall in trouble because project is so much bigger, right? That is the first thing. So you should have your market survey with you. Okay. Then this is the all about, you have done your market survey, you have finalized the deal in just 1 point, okay, 2 lakh, 1.20, okay, 1.2 lakh, 1.2 lakh. Okay. Now here is the actual game. Okay. You have a two choice. Okay. The one is you start from the core development or from the scratch or from the ready-made module, ready-made module, and figure it out your time and everything. And if you required hosting, yes, what you can offer here, you can talk to the client and say, sir, in just pay 10,000 more, we will give you 1 year free hosting. We will give you free hosting and domain. And but you just add one more thing, because this is the game, right? Hosting is the game. Let me tell you. You can buy hosting, 1,000 for 1 year. You can buy. Let me tell you, there are so many methods. I have so many contacts. Though some clients, I have so many contacts which provide you of 1 year hosting for 1,000 in 1,000 rupees. And some hostings are costly. They are 10,000 per month also. Okay. Now, now do one thing. Don't take charges. Don't take a charges from client, right? From client for the hosting. Okay, let me tell you. Don't add that amount on the bill. Let me tell you why. Because you don't know how many people are going to access his website. How many people are going to access his website, right? For example, you already told him, sir, we are taking the charges and we provide you hosting. Okay, then there is no problem. He's paying you 10,000 rupees. But what type of hosting you are providing him in just 10,000 rupees? Okay, let me tell you what is the game here. Let's open a GoDaddy because that is the famous hosting provider. But personally, I don't like GoDaddy. Go for Bluehost. Bluehost is good, and hosting is also costly. Always, every hosting provider, they have their hidden charges, and the services are not that much, right? Okay, yeah. Let's click on hosting. Let me tell you. Now, look at here. There are so many types of hosting. One is a web hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and online store. Let me tell you how many types of hostings are there. So many types of VPS hosting is there. Dedicated hosting is there. Yes. Look at the price. 10,000 per month, right? 10,000 per month. Okay. Then which hosting is good for such type of project? If you are developing personal website, a static website, you can choose a simple shared hosting. Maybe in 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, you will get a web hosting. But you want to, you are purchasing hosting for online shopping website, then, and that is in WordPress, then you can buy this WordPress e-commerce hosting. Okay. But you are developing your own PHP website and it is a big business, then you have to choose a dedicated server hosting, right? Let us open this plan, dedicated hosting. Yes, look at here. In 10,000, what you are getting in a 10,000 rupees, 10,000 per month, right? Means the cost is more than 1.2 lakh, right? It's a more than lakh rupees are the hosting charges. Then you can tell to the client, okay, because I have faced so many issues hosting. Okay, don't give assurance to the hosting. Say to him, sir, we are providing basic hosting. If you want to upgrade, so upgrade, the charges are, you can also pay. That is there is no hidden charge because we are providing the basic hosting with the project, basic hosting that support up to 10 user. I don't know, sir, because it is the shared hosting. Okay, means 10 user can share your website. That bandwidth will be shared. Okay, here do one thing. Say directly no to the client about it. So we are developing a website. You can purchase a hosting and provide us ID password. We will host your website on that. Because advantage is that the if 100 users are there, those are online or website, even a simple plan of the dedicated server will not work. It also takes some load. Okay, that's why there will be, in the future dispute will take place with the client and your relation will be spoiled. Okay, yes. Therefore, I'm telling you, say to client, we are providing you a basic hosting and give this hosting, web hosting, just 1,000 rupees hosting, not more than that. This one, a buy basic plan. Okay, or you can directly tell to the client. So these are the plans. Select any plan which you like, and then we will purchase hosting together, and we will host your website. I hope you got the idea how to purchase hosting. For example, this hosting, right? Let me tell you this one, paid hosting deluxe. Yes, look at the price. For example, you are buying for 12 months, you have to pay 4,600. Okay, it's a without GST. But if you add GST, it will be a 5,500 something else or more than that. And 3 months, 3 year, 9,000. Let us continue with the cart. And what you are getting 10 website, 25 databases, 50 GB space, free domain, free tile. Lot of features are there, but let it be. Sign in later. So we are purchasing hosting and it cost you 9,000 rupees. Okay. And the SSL certificate 3,000 rupees. Web security standard. These are the extra packages. Okay. Now click on I'm ready to pay. Yes. So 15,000 maybe. Oh, sorry. I have clicked on Facebook. Yeah. I'm ready to pay. Continue with Google. And I'm a customer. Okay. So link my account. I don't want to link my account. Okay. So let's forget, what is the last step? That is the payments step. When you click on next button, it will show you QR code, or you can choose your credit card or debit card option for the payment. Okay, that's it. That's the last window after that. Okay. Now this is over. If you want to book a domain, search something here. For example, what was the shop name? Sri Ram Shopee Pune, for example. So domain is available. I think so. Yes, it is available. So .com you will get 1 rupees. But here is the catch. There is no such domain you will get 1 rupees. Make it yours. Let's click on make it yours. Here you will see hidden charges. Right? We have to pay at least 3 years money to get the item. Okay. Yeah. Let's keep going and continue with cards. Uh, yeah. And look at here. Okay. So you are purchasing a domain in a 3 year. You have to pay 2,598 rupees for a 3 year. But if you take a 1 year, then it will be not a 1 rupees. Okay. Yeah, because we are getting free domain, right? We are getting free domain with this hosting plan. But if you change the plan, it is just 1 year, then I think would have to pay charges. Yeah, 949 rupees. If you add a GST, it will become a 1,300, probably 1,300 rupees, right? Yes. I hope you got an idea how to purchase hosting and domain, right? Hosting and domain, and you have to click next. Then you will be in the panel of GoDaddy or any whatever service provider. Yes. Any question? Hmm. Okay. If you have purchased hosting from GoDaddy, Bluehost, or Hosting or whatever it may be, then third part is that you will get ID and password from the hosting provider, and you have to use ID and password to log in into the C panel, that is known as control panel, C panel. Okay. Now I have ID and password, so I am inside the control panel. Okay. Yeah. This is a C panel of your hosting provider, right? Okay. Now you can see this is my current username, right? IP address is here. You can check its uses. I'm having only 4 GB RAM. That is the server configuration. I can create 3 databases, right? And domain, hosting, whatever statistics are there, it will display at a right side sidebar. Okay. Then what is the next step? Next step is that, uh, for example, let me show you. We have a website. Okay. In a previous example, we have created one website, and yeah, insert, update, delete. It was over. Yeah, it is a website. Okay. Let me start the server. Let me tell you how to uh, upload the website. Okay. Yes. The first step is that go to file manager. Okay, there is a file manager. Go to file manager. Here you will see, there are so many websites. One is the blog.svgeico.com. One is my personal website. This is my current website, right? And if you want to check my old website, just write down old.svgeico. Wait a minute. Oh, really old. So we will now navigate to, but I have redirected to the original site. Okay, yeah. Now we are in the panel. We're in the C panel. Just give me 1 minute. Let me close this. Yeah, we are in the C panel. Yes. Then, yes, the first thing is that go to file manager. File manager is here, and here you can upload your website. For example, if I'm creating a new website, I will create one folder. Okay, the folder name is a temporary. Okay, and temporary, or we'll simply write what is workshop. Workshop is the new folder. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. So in a previous example, we had created one website, and it was in a day. I think day 4, right? Let's find out. Jam. It is in a htdoc. Okay, and day 4. Maybe to if you. Okay, give me 1 minute. Maybe it is in another folder. Yeah. For example, this is our website. In a previous session, we had created this website, and yeah, just do one thing. Let us upload this website. Okay, this website is running on my local system. Okay, here is the folder. Click on upload and drag and drop. That's it. So I will change. I will create another copy of the website. I will write index is the default name. Okay, index only. Let me drag. Let me drop. Yeah, it's over. Now we have a website. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to write name of your domain, right? So whatever domain you have purchased from the GoDaddy, then slash. Okay, that's it. Domain, and that's it. But for now, I have already hosted my website on my personal domain, that is the svgaico.com. And what was the name of the folder? It was workshop slash. Alright, yeah, it's working. But images are missing, right? Images are missing. But this is working, right? And do one thing. It required example. It required images. So let us chip and say upload it to the server. Examples. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Go to your panel, reload, reload. Okay. Upload examples. Let's drop it here. Okay. All right. Then right click, extract. This is known as a web. We are hosting a website. Extract. Okay. All right. Let's reload again. Yeah, we have so many images, right? We have so many images. Now go to your website and just hit refresh button. Okay, wow. We have hosted our website. All images are visible, right? This is known as a web hosting. I hope you got an idea. Hello, Shiva.
Uh, at the time of purchasing hosting or domain, it is showing that the storage, some storage 1 GB or 10 GB. What is that?
Mm. Let's look at my plan. Okay, yeah. What is my disk space? 20 GB, right? 20 GB. I have bandwidth, that is the 1 TB, 2 TB, approximately 2 TB. I have bandwidth, and I have taken 20 GB disk space plan. But in reality, I'm using only 2 GB. I'm using only 2 GB. It is something like, it is simple question, how much space you required for the hosting. Okay. how much space is required for your hosting. And that's why this is the size. So my recommendation is that the 5 GB and 1 GB is also enough for the static website. Okay, 1 GB is also enough. Let's open a GoDaddy or uh, let's open a GoDaddy. है ना? Let me tell you. Go to hosting, web hosting. But in reality, at least 10 GB, 25 GB, 10 GB is also more than enough for anything. You don't require. But here is the catch, right? The catch is here, RAM. They can offer you unlimited disk space, but nobody cares about bandwidth. Nobody cares about website, number of website to that upload and shared CPU. So let us remember, let me tell you one thing. The space doesn't matter here. You have to focus on how many website you can deploy, how many databases you can create. Now look at here. If you want to start your own development, then buy this plan, 399 plan. You can host at least 25 website, right? 75 GB, let it be, but you are never going to use 75 GB, only 5 GB almost. Okay, but you are using shared CPU and RAM. It means on that server there are hundreds of websites. Okay, hundreds of websites are there on a shared CPU and RAM. If those website, there is no user on that website, then you will get some CPU and RAM. It shows, they tell you it is unlimited RAM, unlimited CPU, but it is not like that. It is limited. Everything is limited in this world. Nothing is a unlimited. Everything is limited. Okay. If you buy this plan 399, it's I think you have to pay 14,000 rupees for 3 years. But it will give you a basic infrastructure, not more infrastructure. Suresh, yes, only pre-processing was remaining. I will upload day 4 and day 5 video and day 6 and 7 today only. I was so much busy from last 2 days. Okay, yeah. Shivam, I hope you got an idea. Hmm? So never look
Yes,
for never look for how much space you are getting. Space doesn't matter. 1 GB is more than enough. But what matter is CPU and RAM. You have i3, you have a i3 laptop, right? And you have 2 TB hard disk. Do you want to play GTA 5 game? Is it possible? It's impossible, right? We cannot play GTA 5 with with i3 processor. There is no graphics card. That's why, and limited memory is there. The RAM is also limited, right? So therefore, these are the key point we have to keep in mind. Okay, yeah. Then what is cPanel? Yes, cPanel. You can. What happened? My system is working. Hmm, hmm. Okay. Yes. Now we have hosting. Okay. So never promise to the client we offer you best hosting. So a large number we are offering you unlimited hosting. So the unlimited user can access your website. No, never do such types of promises to the client. Say truth, hosting and domain, because domain charges, you have to renew domain every year. Okay, so this is tell them this is your concern. Okay, we are not providing you domain, and if you want to provide a domain and hosting, then whatever charges are there, whatever bill is generated, you can charge. Or you have a big company, then you can do business. But as a freelancer, never promise domain and hosting. we know, I was talking about the charges, right? 25,000 for static website. If website is having 2 to 3 pages of PHP and think about, what are the tables in the PHP, then you can charge it 35,000 to 50,000 for if there are 2 3 pages in PHP. If it is a website for car showroom or and real estate, then you can charge just you know just do some research of client. If client is wealthy, you can charge up to 1 lakh because and try to develop website in a responsive way. So because that client will give you 2 3 clients more. So your first client you will get a little loss in a first client, but that is the win-win situation. He may give you 2 3 clients in the future. Okay, that is the fundamental secret of any business. Hmm? First, you will get a little income, but next time you will get very good income from the website development and application development. Then make a team, find out the friends with a similar interest, right? Create a friend circle, create a friend circle. You can work on online also, right? Take a project in a group, and deliver the project. This is how you can start your own income source. And make a friends of different domain. For example, this person is working on Android. Okay, she is working on iOS. Okay, this guy is working on a web development. He's working on a database. This type of friend circle you have. You should not have the friend circle of similar interest. Find a friend who is good in a web development, app development, so you can crack the deal. And always have one friend. Let me tell you, marketing and knowledge in a one person it is very rarely seen. So you have some friends who are very friendly in nature. They are very good in a social. They are influencer. Then he's your own, income source generator. He's the that guy, income source generator. He's the guy who gives you orders uh, from the clients. He's the guy who will generate money for you. The guy with a social influence, and he's not good in a programming. It happens usually. The programmers are very shy people, or maybe they are not a social animal. Programmers are very shy people. They like their system, right? And they like their world, loneliness. But these are the find out some people, those are very active in a socially, they will generate more money for you. And that is the way to get a great project from the market. So is that okay? Hmm. I hope you got this one. Okay, we will upload this website and we can create database. So let me tell you how to create database. Go to your control panel, find PHP That's why I was telling you use XAMPP or WAMP server. It is almost similar to the interface which is inside the XAMPP. Click on database. Okay, there are so many database. I have already created 2 3 database. Right, you can create your own database, but the option is not here. Option is in the MySQL database. This is a separate option. Write down database name. For example, student DB is the database name. Click on create database. Database has been created. And copy this detail into Notepad. Okay. It is your database. Hmm. Okay. Then go back. It will ask you to add user. Okay. Then do one thing, just write a demo user. demo user, password, give some values or write the password. For example, I'm using capital D demo at the rate 123, right? Now click on create user. Okay, mm, I will use a hash. Still not working. Okay, yeah. Let us give another uh, admin at the rate 123 hash 12. Okay, yes. Admin at the rate 123 hash 12. That is our password. Now click to create user. Okay. So what is the username? Username is the this one. And password was admin. Okay. At the rate 123 hash 12. That is our password. So copy this detail in a notepad file and go back. What is the next step? Next step is that. So what you have done, you have uh, let me write in a notepad plus plus because this is the crucial part. We don't want to do anything. Yes. Yeah, the first part, create database. Number two, add uh, create user account for database. Third part is that uh, user for add user in the database in the database. Okay, yeah, that's it. And fourth, import database from temp. That's it. Yeah. Now select the user. SV Gaikwad demo is the username and select the database. Database is the student DB. Now click on add button. Okay. Now click on add button. Now it will ask you for a certain privilege. Then click on all privilege and then click on make changes. Okay. It will display the success message. Now your system is ready. Then click on control panel and go to PHP Okay, it will open this wizard. Now you will find your database that is the student DB, right? Yeah. Now time has come to import your database from the champ. Yeah, this one. Let us click on student DB and click on export. Wait a minute. It is not this one. Student DB, export and export. That's it. Now I have exported file. Let us import here. Okay. Let us import into the PHP admin. Select the file. File name is studentdb.studentdb.sql and click on import. It's very easy. Okay. Now it has been imported successfully. Okay. Great. Now database part is over. You will get the same interface. You can create your SQL query, you can create your structure, you can create a new table, you can export, import, do whatever you want to do. All the features are similar, like jam server. Okay, okay. Then we have uploaded website, but it was a static website. Now let us host the dynamic website. It is it is stored on a D drive. Let me open another window. D drive, champ, PHP, my admin, htdoc, sorry, not PHP my admin, htdoc, and PHP MySQL. Okay, and this is the old file. Okay, yeah. Now let us click on upload and upload your website here. This one. So I'm selecting all the files, copying and drag and drop here. All right. Now your website has uploaded. Let me delete the HTML file, or either I will change its name. It's a index old. I will write index dash one dot HTML. Now uh, it will open the PHP file, but it will not work properly. Let me tell you why. Yeah, this one. Okay. When I click on submit, yeah, it will display this type of error. Thing is that the thing is that the configuration of the file, because ID and password is not provided in the uh, you know, in the config file. This one. Okay. And in a previous video, I shown to you, if you don't know how to create a config file, you can watch my video of day 4 and day 5. Okay. I will take 5 minutes extra. Yeah. This is the information which I have copied in just a minute ago. Database is the student DB, but extension is SV Gaikwad. Just copy these parameters and paste into the file. Instead of student DB, now it is a SV Gaikwad student DB. What is the username? SV Gaikwad underscore demo is the username. You want a password? Password is here. So I have added database name, database user, password, and database. Let us save. Okay. Yeah. And go to your website. This one, right? Now, let us refresh. Now it is showing me database connected successfully and data is inserted. Okay. Now let me check data is inserted or not. What is the file? What is the file name to check the data is inserted? That is the select.php. This file we had created in a previous session. If you missed it, you can you can watch it. And this is the last record. In a previous video, I have deleted last record, right? Okay. And that's all about today. If you look at the index.php file, you will find I have added uh, I have added a bootstrap code plus PHP code. Okay, so this is how you have to convert your static website into dynamic one. Okay, now questions. I hope you got the real understanding of hosting, domain, and rest of the things. Great. Yes, Daksh. बोलो क्या है? ओके, ग्रेट। अगर आपको कुछ भी अगर प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, तो यूट्यूब में कमेंट में मुझे डाल देना कि कौन से टाइम लाइन पे वहाँ पे टाइम स्टैम्प आता है ना? जैसे मैंने लेट मी टेल यू, टाइम स्टैम्प को मार्क करके मुझे वहाँ पे बता देना कि सर यहाँ पे ये एरर है, यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है। So I will provide you solution in the comment box. For example, if you are watching this video, for example, day one, and you don't know, what is uh, horizontal rule or anything else, then in the comment section or uh, you know, in a comment section, you can write the duration, right? What is the duration? You can copy, copy the URL at current timeline, and you can send me, or you can just add 1 point. What was the time? 1552, 10 dash 52, and 52 having doubt of regarding the something is regarding the whatever it may be. Okay? You can post your doubt in the comment box, and I will provide you answer. Okay. Similarly, I have provided source code. Today, I will upload source code of day 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there is no source code for day 7. Okay, all right. Hmm. What was the? Yes, that's it. Yes. Anything else you want to ask me? Try to develop your website. Okay, and with the ink. Yes, it is. Yeah. First, try to develop a small website using Bootstrap. Okay, and if you are interested, my brother is working he's running his IT company in a Sambhajinagar, and we always hire some of the developers from the student also. Okay, we have internship program, but we are offering uh, paid internship, right? Paid internship. There is no limitation for if you are learning in a first semester, so you are also eligible for the internship. You will get a certificate, and you will get a money based upon your skill. Okay, but we usually test the student at least 3 to 4 uh, three to 4 month or project. If he is performing very well uh, in some project, then we used to hire that guy, and we provide very good salary also. So here you can create your another income source. You can learn, plus you can also earn. Okay. Basically, I'm not. I have resigned from the company, so we can say that he's working on web development. He's working on app development. Okay, and he's also working on a hosting and domain business. Right. If you guys are interested uh, in any of those development, he's working on Java. Okay, and comma he's working on a React. React Native, Node.js technologies. If you have very good knowledge of Bootstrap plus PHP and plus the rest of the framework, right? Even React also. So we are offering very good salary for full stack developer, right? Full stack developer. This is the right age for you to learn uh, web development and web development. These are the basic technology. Even React also. React is, you can use MongoDB. At least these these are the fundamental technologies for the web development. Okay, and then forward me your resume and prepare your GitHub profile. Okay, GitHub profile and upload all your source code in a GitHub and provide that GitHub URL in your CV. And then we will take an interview. Okay, not me. He will conduct an interview. If you are selected, then they will offer you some projects and some stipend also. Okay. So any doubt? Is that clear? Okay. I will prepare a detail videos on PHP because I know you guys are learning PHP in the class. But I will prepare. I will not do a live streaming. Instead of live streaming, I will prepare offline course material, and I will upload a video series on YouTube. Okay, and you can learn from the YouTube. That's it. Okay. So probably the next series will be dedicated to Java. Okay. I will finish Java in 2 weeks. I don't want to spend more time on outdated technology. So instead of Java, we will learn only important sections, important points, okay, which are given in your syllabus only. Okay. All right then. Okay, shall we stop here? If you have any doubt, any query, you can meet me in cabin as well as we will discuss online. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, good night. And if you have any doubt, please write into comment. है ना? And you can share this video with your friend and try to develop project and try to start your own small software company also, right? Uh, you should have a extra income source. Okay, all right. So guys, let us stop here and good night. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good
Bye.
night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.